Okay, so students, now we are going to continue towards the third and fourth chemical property of acid. In the previous class we have learned about first and second property. Acid plus metal gives metallic salt plus hydrogen gas. Second property we did, acid plus metal carbonate gives metallic salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. Now we are going to do the third property, chemical property of acid. The third property is when acid reacts with base, it forms salt plus water. So in my previous video, you know that I have given some examples of base. Yes, correct, NaOH and KOH. NaOH and KOH, I am going to take an example of base for it. So I am reacting NaOH as a base and KOH as a base. Now I will react with this HCl. I keep the acid HCl. Now you can see acid, that is hydrochloric acid, reacts with base, that is NaOH, KOH. Now what it forms according to the general equation? Salt and water. So here what will be the salt? Is Na reacts with Cl, forms NaCl, sodium chloride. And as I told you in the general reaction, what will be formed? Water. So OH and 1H, so it will form water, H2O. Simple, very simple reaction. Hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium hydroxide base, forms sodium chloride and water. So this is your reaction. Second, HCl reacts with KOH. What happens here? Here K reacts with Cl and OH will go with H to form H2O. So hydrochloric acid when reacts with potassium hydroxide base forms KCl, that is potassium chloride, and water is released. Students, see, both these reactions are already balanced. Both these reactions are already balanced. So when acid reacts with base, it forms salt plus water. Now let us go to the fourth chemical property of acid. Fourth chemical property is acid when reacts with metal hydrogen carbonate, it forms metallic salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. So let us give an example for this. Let me take acid as H2SO4. Sulfuric acid I am taking. With this I am taking metal hydrogen carbonate. So for example, I am taking metal hydrogen carbonate as NaHCO3. See, here Na is a metal, H stands for hydrogen and CO3 stands for carbonate ion. So it is a metal hydrogen carbonate, sodium hydrogen carbonate, NaHCO3. Now this reacts with sulfuric acid to form what? Metallic salt. Which salt will be formed? Can you guess? Yes, it is sodium sulfate. Sodium sulfate will be formed with carbon dioxide will be released and water also will be released as per our general equation. So carbon dioxide and water will also be released. Now let us see whether it is balanced or not. Here H2SO4, so here H is 2, here also H is 2, so it is balanced. Here see oxygen, it is 4. Here oxygen is 4 plus 3, 7. On right hand side, 4 plus 2 plus 1, so 7, it is balanced. Now let us see for sodium, whether sodium is balanced or not. Sodium, NaHS4, so sodium Na1, here Na is 2. Please see that here Na is 2 and here Na is 1. So I need to place 2 over here in order to balance it. So now 2 Na, but this will change hydrogen also and this will change oxygen and carbon also. So I will to write for everything. This 2 will deal with everything. So here H2, it should be 2H2. So see 2H over here and H2 over here. So hydrogen is balanced. Now I will deal with carbon. 2 carbon. Here carbon is 1. So I need to give 2 over here. So I am giving 2 over here. 2. So now carbon is also 2. Now see oxygen. 2 3s are 6 oxygen plus 4 10 oxygen. Now on right hand side 4 2 2s are 4 and again 2 for this oxygen. So 4 plus 4 plus 2, so 10. So now this reaction is balanced. So what we can say about this reaction? When sulfuric acid reacts with sodium hydrogen carbonate, it forms sodium sulfate plus carbon dioxide plus water. So this is your example for reaction of acid with metal hydrogen carbonate, which gives metallic salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. Students, we can take one more example over here for our simplicity. I am going to take HCl over here and I will react it with magnesium hydrogen carbonate, MgHCO3, and we will form the salt. What will be the salt over here? Magnesium will glow with chlorine to form magnesium chloride. Then CO2 will be released as per our general reaction and H2O will also be released. So CO2 and H2O, here also C and H2O are released. Now let us check. Here Cl is 1 and here on right hand side Cl is 2. So let us take 2 over here. So this 2 goes with H also and with Cl also. Now see 2H plus 1H. So total 3H are there. But here it is only 2H. So what should I do? I need to have one more hydrogen. So I take 2 over here. So now you see 2H, here also 2H. So total 4H. So here also I will give 2. So it will be 4H. Now 2Cl, here also 2Cl. So it is balanced. Now H, C. Let us take C. Here C is how much? 2. Here is C only once. So I have to give 2 over here. So 2C will become. Now let us check with oxygen. 2 3s are 6. Here also 2 2s are 4 plus 2 6. So this is balanced. So hydrochloric acid reacts with magnesium hydrogen carbonate, forms MgCl2 plus 2CO2 plus 2H2O. So this is your balanced reaction. So students, this is third property and fourth property that we have discussed. Third property is acid plus base gives salt plus water and its examples. And fourth property is acid plus metal hydrogen carbonate gives metal salt plus CO2 plus H2O and its examples. So these are the other two properties of acid. Thank you.